What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Rita, and I am here just to touch base with you guys to say that I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and doing just fine during this time of social distancing and coronavirusing and all that stuff. I gonna be making me some homemade burgers tonight, and I just thought I'd bring you along and show you a couple of things that I do before, to kind of Ritatize my burgers. Okay, I know you guys know how to make a burger, so I'm not gonna even get into all of that. I'm just gonna show you a couple of things that I do that may be different from what you do. As you can see, I have a skillet right here. It's already getting hot for me. And I've got some bacon over here sizzling. So it's going to be a bacon cheeseburger. Alright. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to put it down in this skillet and let that get melted. One thing that I love on a burger, you guys, is some caramelized onions. They take a little bit of playing with and messing with, but I tell you, if you do it on one burger, you will do it from here on out. It is the best taste. That's one reason why I like Chaps burgers so much, is because they do that. But yeah, I have to throw me a couple of those on there. I never know how many to make, however, because one minute my family's like, oh, I'm not caramelized onion. Then as soon as I just make enough for myself, everybody wants a caramelized onion. So what this is right here, you guys, is this is just a half of a medium white onion. And as I stated, that's a 2 tablespoons of butter. And all I'm going to do, you guys, is throw this right in this pan and let this start to caramelize. Now, if I was doing a big, giant onion, it would take a little bit for it to caramelize. But because this is a half of an onion, it's not going to take that much time. If I'm doing a big pan of caramelized onions, you guys, it can take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to get them cooked down like you want them. Let them just really break down and not be hard. I like them the deader, the more caramely, the better for me. So I'm just going to let them do their thing and sit in this skillet. And I'm just going to keep on playing with my my bacon. I'm going to show you something, you guys. Another thing that I'm really crazy about when I'm doing homemade burgers is I'm crazy about the kind of bread that I'm going to be using. I have to have a bunch of choices. Right here I have an onion bun. I have a Hawaiian sweet bun. Okay. And I also have a brioche. I don't know which one of these that I'm going to use yet, but it will be one of these buns. I also have some butter bread. My daughter likes hers on toast. So I try to get a big sturdy toast that will hold up to, all of the toppings and all of those things. I've already started cutting up some of my toppings. You can see I have some lettuce and some tomatoes right here. I like to use the romaine hearts for my lettuce. And now I'm going to show you what I put into my meat mixture. I'm going to give me some gloves and show y'all what I do, okay? Make it do what it do. These are the things that I kind of do, like I said, to Ritatize my burger. And just to give you some ideas to make yours, different. It's nothing better than a homemade burger and some homemade fries. I'm trying to talk myself into putting some fries into my air fryer. I don't want that light in y'all's eyes, so I'm going to bring y'all down just a little bit more, okay? So right here we have this is about 3 pounds of ground beef, okay? I want to be able to let these onions just do their thing without me having to mess with them. And then I'm going to show you guys, once I get them to the consistency that I like, I'm going to show you guys what I put in them to keep that going. You flip this bacon, I'm coming right back. I'm coming right in. It wants to pop me any kind of way it can today because I got on my little thin thing, my little thin dress, sleep dress. So I'm getting popped left and right by this bacon today. I guess it knows I'm not protected, so that's just like it, ain't it? You know? Anything can happen will happen. That's what I get. Until I put on some clothes. Okay, so what I have right here is my ground beef. Let me show you how I season my ground beef. I'll take an egg. Everything that I'm going to be seasoning with, I say do about a tablespoon per pound, okay, you guys? I'm going to be eyeballing, but about a tablespoon of per pound of this, of your seasonings. This is ground mustard, okay? This is minced garlic, okay? This is garlic powder, okay? You know that's got to show up because that's my fave, one of my fave fours. This is onion powder, right? This is salt, white salt, regular smuggler, okay? This is Worcestershire sauce. Same thing, 1 tablespoon per pound. I'm eyeballing because I know how I like mine. I want to tell you guys to start with 1 tablespoon per pound because I want you to try it and get used to the ingredients and get them to your liking, okay? And I don't want to start you out too much. So this is what I do for my meat mixture, okay? And I just get in there with my hands and I go to work, okay? Mix it all up. Right? All right. So we did salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, minced onion, Worcestershire sauce, and a ground mustard, and 1 egg, okay? We want it to bind, okay? Now I'm going to mix this all up, and when I come back, I'll have my bread done, and I'll show you what I'm going to put in those onions. I'll be right back, okay? See you in just a minute. Okay, y'all, this is my onions, right? This is how I like mine. I want most of them to be black and charred. That's the consistency that I prefer. I'm going to drop just a little salt, a little pepper. Excuse my noise in the background. My husband is playing dominoes with his friends. You know, men don't want to do nothing that they told to do. I'm like, y'all been playing dominoes every day since they said social distancing. And I have been forbidding him to bring them here. But since he only did 3, said he would only have 3, I said, okay, I'm going to let your little friends come on over here. But it sounds like it's 25 of them up there, so I'm about ready for them to go. But I put a little salt, a little pepper. Excuse me, you guys. And then I just dropped me about a teaspoon or so of, this is white wine vinegar in there. Once I've gotten them to the consistency I want, that's what I do. I flavor them at the end. You know what I'm saying? This is going to give this such a beautiful and delicious taste. And then I also, you guys, just put like a tad bit, I mean a very little bit of thyme in there. I got this recipe from something on Our Recipes or all somebody. I don't know where I got it, but this little concoction is just delicious. So of course that's just a teaspoon of the white wine vinegar. Just a teaspoon of the thyme, ground thyme. If you have thyme leaves or thyme, whichever one. Some salt and some pepper. And then I just give them a little taste to see if I like the taste of them. I already know I'm going to like the taste of them. They are so good. And it gives your burger, it takes your burger to another level. So let's just try. No, it's hot. It's hot. Ooh, I like to burn my hand. Ow. Those are going to be so good. I'm just going to turn those off and move them back, because I don't want them to keep cooking. They just got just enough char for me. I don't know if that's too much for you guys. Y'all might like a lot. You just have to watch them, you guys. They will cook fast, so you kind of cook them like on medium low to medium, and just keep cooking them in that butter until you get them to cook down enough that you like them, charred enough that you like them, and then once you have them like you like them, then you season them. I'm gonna make me up some burgers with that mix that I showed you guys that I was going to use, and I have decided that I'm going to use the sweet Hawaiian buns on mine tonight, because I'm gonna make me a good old big thick patty. I'm gonna use me 2 different kinds of cheese. I'm gonna have lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and my grilled onions. And whew, I'm so ready. I'll be back to show you the final results in a minute. Okay, y'all, let's build this burger right quick. Now look at these buns. They are toasted to perfection. Oh my God. Please tell me that you toast your bun and use some bacon grease, honey. That's the best thing ever. I like mustard and mayonnaise. This is my son's burger, because I'm not ready to eat mine right now. So I'm going to try not to go wild on here, because he's letting me put these onions on here just because he wanted me to show you guys. But normally if he was fixing it for himself, he wouldn't put these he wouldn't put those onions on there. But he wanted me to be able to show y'all the beauty that there. Yeah, they still playing, y'all, and you talking about on my nerves. So on my bottom, I have my mustard and mayonnaise combined. I'm just gonna put me a piece of cheese right there. Now on mine, I'm gonna be putting pepper jack and cheddar down there. I'm gonna put the meat on top of that. Okay, look at that. The bacon and the burger meat. Okay, then on my top bun, you guys, I've got it with this. Look how good that looks. Oh, good and greasy. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna put me some lettuce at the top. See if I can get me some flat lettuce going on. Okay. Lettuce. I don't want to do too much for his, y'all. Some tomatoes. Some pickles. Okay. Move that down some. Move that down a little bit. That's falling off. Ooh, it's jumping out. It's so ready to be in somebody's belly. Okay. Then I'm going to take my caramelized onions, you guys. I'm going to go right on. I'm not going to put a lot on his. I'm just going to put a little bit right there. Just right in the middle right there. They keep on wilting down and getting darker and all of that stuff as they are sitting and waiting on you to, use them. And then I'm just going to put this on top of this. And then I'm going to turn the whole thing. Look at that. Ooh, I'm going to turn the whole thing over, you guys. Just like so. And that is how I do me a bacon cheeseburger, you guys. This is how it looks. And I did them some fries in the air fryer. I say them because I had a baked potato earlier today. Not knowing, whoo, Lord, that thing gonna be so good. Not knowing what I was gonna cook tonight. Okay, so I just did some air fryer potatoes. I'm gonna put them right down on here just like this. And when he gets in here, he's gonna be set, honey. He is going to be set. Do you hear me? I did these in an air fryer. These are some thick cut potatoes. I did them on 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And there you have it, you guys. The feast de resistance. Okay? Take you a bite of this thing. Let me tell you, if you caramelize those onions on your burger, if you toast that bun, if you add some of those ingredients into your patty, it's going to be the best burger, and you will not want to get a burger out. I very seldom get burgers out at a fast food joint. It has to be a place that I know has very good burgers. And one place that I do go to is Chaps. I'll go to Buns every once in a while. And I'm very specific. I'm telling them what to do and how to do it when I do go there. So I just rather fix it at home. So like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys, make sure you're hitting that like button. That's very important in my analytics and YouTube, looking at my videos and seeing what kind of traction I get. It's very important to the people that are looking for people to do commercials and advertise with. So please like the videos. Subscribe to the channel. Don't just watch me. Come on in. Subscribe to the channel. I try to make it as fun as I can. I try not to be on here too long, so that you can, watch the whole thing. I try to listen to the comments and the complaints, and I try to adjust if I can. But I'm trying to make it a good channel for you guys, and I just need you guys to do a couple of things for me as well to help me make this channel successful. So I just appreciate all the time and everything you're doing so far, and I just want you to keep on doing it. And just, if you're not doing it yet, let's get on board for 2020. Let's do this thing. Go on in there while you ain't got nothing to do while we all in the house. So just go through the videos and just start liking all up. Just hit the like button. Okay, you guys. This was Cheeseburger, Bacon Cheeseburger 101. I hope you found out some little things that's going to help you elevate your burger to the next step. I'll see you guys on the next time, on the next one. Remember, your food ain't all the way live, just been Rita. Bye.